Sorry, I got a call there from Miss Barnes. Hopefully the odd edit isn't too odd. One other thing I want to chat about here. Are these sinusoids? Are these sinusoids? S-I-N-U-S. Oh, man, I have it spelled two different ways. Now I'm going to look. S-O-I-D. Oh, crap. Okay, so are these sinusoids? Let's see. Let's consider y1 equals 5 cosine x plus 3 sine x. And y2 equals cosine 5x plus sine 3x. Well, in general, the rule is sums of sinusoids are still sinusoids if the period is the same. So what is the period the same for both of these? Well, yeah, the coefficient is b. This is the same. So 2 pi over 1 and 2 pi over 1, that's the same thing. The period here, 2 pi over 5 and 2 pi over 3, those are going to be different. So y1 will be a sinusoid and y2 will not. And let's go ahead and look at what those would look like. So 5 cosine x plus 3 sine x. Whoops. Forgot my ending parentheses there on the cosine. Shame on me. And I'll need to zoom out a little bit here. It's not letting me zoom. It's going to make it graph it first, and then it'll let me zoom out. All right, let's zoom out. Here we go. There, and that looks like a sine wave. It's periodic. It's repeating the same thing. It has that maximum and that minimum. And that'll be the main difference. When I do the other one, it'll look periodic, but it'll have different maximums and minimums as we go. So let's look at the other one. Cosine 5x plus sine 3x. Oops, let me zoom trig again. Okay, so you can see that looks a little funky. It doesn't have the same maximum and minimum. That's the main thing you look for. It has all kinds of different maximums and minimums. So this is not a sinusoid. It does have a period, though. I can see like this peak and this peak. So that's going to repeat. How long does it take to repeat? 2 pi. I would say 2 pi because it looks like this left half of the screen, which is 2 pi, is the same as this on the right half of the screen is 2 pi. So I would say that 2 pi is the period overall. Okay, and you could look at the periods up here. This is 2 pi over 5, and this is 2 pi over 3. And what's something that both those periods go into? Well, 2 pi. So that's another way to look at it algebraically, but I'm for the most part in this section, we'll just look graphically. You say, take a peek, see at it. What do you think the period is? Bada bing, bada boom. So it has a period, but it is not a sinusoid. So yes and no. And that's it.